Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win every time in the gold lane. To start, focus intensely on last-hitting minions. This is your primary gold source. Aim for nearly 100% last-hit accuracy in the first 5 minutes. Coordinate with your jungler for an early gank to secure first blood, which provides a significant gold boost. Always be aware of your hero's strengths and weaknesses against the enemy to dominate the initial phase. As the game progresses into the mid-game, your role expands beyond just farming. Look for opportunities to rotate and help secure objectives such as the turtle or outer towers. Effective split pushing can draw enemy attention, creating space for your team elsewhere on the map. Always place wards to maintain crucial vision control, especially around jungle entrances and objective points, giving your team a strategic advantage. In the late game, teamfights become paramount. Your positioning is critical. Always stay safely in the backline, allowing your tanks to initiate. Prioritize targeting and eliminating the enemy's main damage dealers or squishy carries to quickly turn the tide. After winning a team fight, immediately push for major objectives like the Lord or enemy inhibitors to close out the game decisively. Every decision counts here. For advanced play, always adapt your item build to counter the enemy team's composition, rather than sticking to a fixed guide. Learn your hero's specific power spikes, knowing exactly when you are strongest to initiate aggressive plays or secure kills. Finally, maintaining a positive and focused mindset is crucial. Even in challenging situations, clear communication and strategic thinking will lead you to victory every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.